Shake Shack is a fast-growing chain of hamburger fast food restaurants founded in 2003 in Madison Square Park.
Yeah, it's a fabulous story, and this is what happens in food. If you have something like that, it becomes a bit of a cult following. So Shake Shack is a new organic burger type option, still very much a standard offering, but the idea is that the meat is of a high quality and so on and so forth, and it's just captured the imagination. Listed early in its life cycle, expensive, fast-growing, people are talking about it.
$768 million in terms of market cap, PE here of 109.2, currently no dividend yield. Slightly on the expensive side.
Slightly.
Just ever so slightly.
I mean, it's a very speculative buy. I mean, and you can see it in the volatility on the stock. So if we were looking at our offshore portfolios, it's not something that we would be adding because of the volatility. I think it listed at $21, moved up to $100, back to $36. I mean, it's absolutely insane.
Yeah, there you go.
Look at that. Yeah. That's quite a share price graph.
Yeah, absolutely mad, and with that, that brings additional risk to portfolios. And I think the type of clients that we deal with taking money offshore really aren't looking for that kind of speculative buy in the offshore markets.
Well, the operative word here is speculative buy. Do you have appetite at around about that $40 level?
I haven't bought them yet, but I've been giving it serious thought. I mean, the food really is delicious. In addition to the fantastic hamburgers, there's also frozen custard, which is like their dessert option. So really, I expect they're going to do spectacularly well. But what's interesting about food and investing in the food sector is it's not that hard to understand the business model. Really, all it is, it's about the management team and whether they can execute, whether they can roll them out.
And the affiliated brand.
And the margins. And Shake Shack's got like a cult brand. It's a little bit like In-N-Out Burger, which is privately held in the US as well. You know, people wear T-shirts with the brand on it. They've got a fabulous design, which is the Statue of Liberty holding an ice cream cone.
The Shake Shack
There are a number of them in the
There is
East
one in
Coast.
Washington.
There's one in Terminal 4 at JFK. So if you're flying on SA into and out of New York, be sure to try the In-N-Out Burger next time.
Are we going hot or not on the speculative buy here?
I take you guys' point. I mean, it is a very popular brand. I mean, apparently you can even go online and watch the queue at Shake Shack to see, and there's always queues at the first one, which was the Madison
there we
Square
go.
Park.
Something for you to do during the day. If you don't have anything better to do, watch the queue.
But,
and they're rolling them out to London, Moscow. There are a couple for some reason.
There's a lot of concerns in the Alice community just about how scalable it's going to be, because it is a very niche type of product. I think they've only got 66 stores. So for me, I'm going to go not hot, too speculative. But if you want to go and buy them, there's a lot of hype around the stock at the moment.
A lot of hype, and Paul, you're endorsing
the market
their offering.
cap per store is some like ludicrous number compared to say McDonald's even. Yeah.
This one are going to go. Yeah. Are you going to buy it?
Well, I could easily. I haven't thought about it. I'm going to be going to New York again in a couple of weeks' time. I'll go and have another meal.
Sample their meal and then come back
see.
and make your buy decision. That gives new meaning to the word kicking the tires.
Market research,
Market research.